Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today I want to go like step by step how to integrate and connect your widget with your Odoo CRM. Okay, that's the idea of this video. We are going to go like step by step because I want you, to have all the information so you can do it, properly from your website. So let's say you have a website. We are using this case for now. You have the widget, you create leads, and you want to send the leads to your Odoo CRM. Okay, so step number one, you need to have your API key from Odoo. So in Odoo, normally you go to, depends of the version, all that, but normally you go to settings, and in settings, what I do is I search for API, and you have your manage API keys. So you can create as many as you want. You can have different API keys. In this case, we have done a few. The moment you have your API key, you go to your account, you go to integrations, you go to Odoo, and in Odoo you need the domain, database, admin, API key, and that's it. Okay. This is the information you need to create leads for an Odoo database. Okay. When you do that, what happens? You go to the widget, you edit the widget, edit the form, and now we can send the data to Odoo. And we map the label from the form to the label in Odoo. That's it. That's what you need to do. Do I need to send all the leads to Odoo? You don't. You can define which widgets are going to send data to Odoo. You don't need to send everything. You need to send what you want to send. In this case, name, zip code, email. So we have here the information, and all this information is going to Odoo. In this case, we also send some custom data. Okay, in this case, for example, this is a label we have for the type of lead. In this case, we call them WhatsApp, so we can send the data. We also have UTM, URL, okay, and this is something we send to Odoo as well, so we have more information about the leads. How this looks like in your leads panel in Odoo. We go here, okay, this is all the leads, and as you can see, there are new leads and there are some WhatsApp leads here. Okay, as you can see, there are different leads with different information, with different everything, and you can map the information from the widget into your Odoo CRM. What happens after this? This is the leads. You qualify them, you talk to them, you add more information or not. This is more up to you. If you go to sales, I don't know what is this. Let me close this. Misleads, I don't know. Okay, yeah. Sales, my pipeline. I don't know why this one looks like this, but you should have here a pipeline. This is the leads, by groups, so you can have all the leads organized. But this is just how you manage Odoo. This is something we don't do. Okay, we help you sending data from the widget to Odoo. And I repeat it just to make it clear. First, Odoo API key. Okay, that's mandatory. If we don't have that, you can not even start thinking about this. Okay, so you go to settings, you manage your API keys, and you have your leads. Second, you go to integrations, Odoo, and you put the information here. Once you do that, in your widgets, you're going to have this option. It's going to appear because once you have the data, we know you have an Odoo integration, and you can start sending the data to Odoo. So that's it. Once you do it, in your leads, you're going to see this label. Okay, Odoo green means it's okay, and this data is going to your Odoo control panel. Obviously, this lead is going to be in your Odoo CRM in leads. That's it. Super simple. I mean, it works. It really works. It's great. Easy, to set up everything. Now, what we are working on how to send WhatsApp messages from Odoo using WhatsApp API. We will give you an update soon, but this is just to clarify how we send leads to Odoo from the WhatsApp widget. Okay? Well, thank you. Stay tuned for more. If you need help, just send us a message and we will be there for you. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.